Hey there and welcome to You Can Uke, where each week I'm releasing new song tutorials so that you can learn how to play the ukulele with success. So if you don't want to miss a lesson, then hit that subscribe button, like this video, and get ready to play September by Earth, Wind & Fire and covered by Taylor Swift. Now before we play this song, we first need to make sure that our ukulele is in the standard tuning of G, C, E, A. By the way, if you need help tuning your ukulele, then make sure that you check out my online ukulele tuner video. Next, there's 3 chords that we need to know in order to play this song, and those chords are B flat major, F major, and C major. If you know those 3 chords, then great job. Feel free to skip ahead to the later portion of this lesson. So the first chord that we're going to learn is B flat major. To play that, take your first finger, press down on the second string of the first fret, take your second finger, press down on the first string of the first fret, take your third finger, press down on the third string of the second fret, and then take your fourth finger and press down on the fourth string of the third fret. This is B flat major. The next chord we're going to learn to play is F major. To play that, take your first finger, press down on the second string of the first fret, and then take your second finger and press down on the fourth string of the second fret. This is F major. And our last chord for this song is C major. To play that, just take your third finger and press down on the first string of the third fret. This is C major. Now I want to teach you the chord progression for this song. It's just going to be B flat major for 8 beats, F major for 3 beats, and C major for 5 beats. Let's play through that chord progression now by ringing out each chord. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I want to teach you the strumming pattern for this song. It's just going to be down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Let's play that strumming pattern on the B flat major chord. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. And now let's combine the strumming pattern with the chord progression. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now that we know the chords, the chord progression, and the strumming pattern, let's put it all together with the lyrics and play through September. Do you remember the 28th night of September? Love was changing the minds of pretenders while chasing the clouds away. Our hearts were ringing in the key that our souls were singing as we danced in the night. Remember how the stars stole the night away. I say that you remember. Dancing in September. Never was a cloudy day. And to end the song, you just ring out on a B flat major chord. Now if you want to play through the rest of the song, then go down to my description box below and click on the link to access the chord chart. And that's how you play September by Earth, Wind & Fire and covered by Taylor Swift. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope it brings you success in learning how to play the ukulele. Again, don't forget to subscribe, and as always, keep practicing and keep playing because you can uke.